In this video, I will show you how to create a quotation or order or service form in Billbox POS. First of all, I would like to show you how to configure printers for creating the quotation. For that, go to the menu Configuration under tab Peripherals. For the printer drop down, you can select your receipt printer and then you can select your A4 printer for the reports printer drop down. Once printers are selected, click Save and then restart the software. To create the order, go to the menu Order Form. Here there are two toggle buttons. One is for receipt printer and the other is for A4 printer. If receipt printer is on, then you will get a receipt upon creating the order. If A4 printer is on, then you will also get a A4 print while creating the order. Now let's select items for the quotation. You can select your items from the product filter. You can adjust your quantity there. You can also adjust your quantity by using these buttons. Once items are selected, you can create the order by pressing either of cash or card button. Before doing that, I will explain these buttons. By using this button, you can tag a customer against the order. You can search your customer from this window, and once done, you can select the customer and then press OK. This button is used to split the order into two if the customer wants to do so. You can do it by like this. Once the order is finalized, you can select your customer from here and then you can press OK. This button can be used to put any manual notes against the selected item. By pressing this button, this order will be put on hold. For that, you have to select the customer name. Once the customer is back, you can go to the queue and select the bill on hold. By pressing this button, items will be deleted. Everything, the ticket will be deleted. You can use this button to delete a line. You can use this button to edit a line, and this button can be used to get more information about a given line. By pressing this button, you can see current tickets. You can use this button to search for an item, and then you can add that into the order. These two buttons I already explained. This button can be used to put a temporary customer name against the order. Once the order is finalized, you can press either of this button. Let me press cash and it will ask if I want to pay any advance amount. I'm not planning to pay any advance amount. I can press OK and that will create the order, and it will also generate the prints. Now to process this order, I can go to the sales window, and from this button I can select my order. From here I can pay. That's it. If I want to see the prints generated, I can go to the printer menu and the prints are here. This is the close cash window and these are the sales reports. If you want to know more about sales window, you can watch the video on doing sales in store or supermarket mode. With this video is done and I will see you in another video. Bye bye.